Hey, good morning everybody. John again from Volkswagen Planet. And today we are working on the 1968 VW Beetle Auto Stick. I know it's a little bit different from what we've been working on with the 1972 rewiring of the Super Beetle. But what we have in front of us here, this particular contraption, and I'm sure about 95% of us out there don't even know what this is. So let me explain. This canister right here is for the auto sticks. And what the auto stick is it's a semi-automatic transmission that was available in less than 10% of the VW Beetles that were built from 1968 to the end of this demise. So what this did is, this is full of automatic transmission fluid, and the reason I'm making this video today is I need the clasp or clamp or whatever you want to call this particular thing, and because you can tell mine's in pretty bad shape. This is supposed to be one piece so it can hold on to the bracket like so. The canister's in really good shape. I just got to clean that off, but I need this clamp. I have scoured the internet. I cannot find these. I've got a huge parts list for those who do need auto stick parts. Just comment below. Tell me what you need, and I'll get you 3 or 4 suppliers that have these parts. But I've located every part for the auto stick except for this clamp. So if you know where I can find these, or even if you have a pair or a set laying around, please contact me below. I'll be more than happy to buy them off of you, or even give you a finder's fee, whatever the case may be. But again, this is for a 1968 auto stick. This is a transmission reservoir. So I need the clamps. I need your guys' help. If you know, like I said, if you know of any parts supplier out there where I can buy them new, that's great. If you got a set or an old Beetle laying around, I'll be more than happy again to buy them off of you. So as far as to the best of my knowledge, from 1968 all the way to the end of the Beetles, I'm 99.999% sure they're all the same. I cannot find any information that states differently. So if you know of anybody or any bug out there where they have an auto stick that they're not using, or maybe they even converted over to the regular 4-speed clutch system, contact them or give me the information. And that's about it, guys. I just need your guys' help. You guys have really come through for me in the past. If you guys need anything, let me know. I'll try to make a video, maybe pass the word out for you. But again, like I said, I'm turning to the VW community. I need your guys' help. This car is very important to me. If you guys have watched my videos on this car, you know it's very sentimental to me. I've had the car for about 15 years. It's been in and out of a couple body shops. It was my stepfather's car. I've got really great memories of, my daughter growing up, smiling, riding with her grandfather. So I got to get this car back on the road, guys. I got the whole entire car, every piece out there except for these clamps. And what these clamps do, just to explain to you, those who don't know what the auto sticks are, there is a bracket that mounts basically, it would be basically over here. And this bracket, this clamp goes around the bracket which holds this transmission reservoir up inside the rear fenders of the auto sticks. So that's just a quick lesson of what this does. So as always, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment or don't. It's not a big deal, but just be respectful to yourself and to others. And as always, guys, the most important part of all of our videos, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great nation, the United States of America. And we'll catch you on the next video. Take care, guys.